Hey everyone, how are you? Today we will show you how to split screen view in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheet app. We can see here some data from this spreadsheet. Now you want to split this screen view. Now I am copy the URL. Press Ctrl C, then click the new tab and paste the URL. Press Ctrl V and press enter. Now we can see here to same tab. Now you want to split screen view, click this maximize option. Otherwise you can move the tab and we can see here the screen view is split. Now I maximize this and split this side by side. You can see here a sheet and here another sheet, but this two sheet is same. Now we can see we split screen view very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.